So, you've got super fast internet. You just upgraded to that multi-gigabit fiber connection, and you're ready to fly. But then you click a link to a site hosted halfway across the world, and you wait. The little loading spinner keeps spinning. It's frustrating, right? You pay for speed, but the web still feels sluggish. This delay isn't just about your internet connection, it's about distance. It's physics. Every piece of data, every image, every video, every bit of code has to travel from the origin server to your device. That journey takes time. Over thousands of miles, milliseconds add up. That delay is called latency, the #1 enemy of a snappy internet. Latency gets worse when a site gets popular. One server trying to serve millions, overwhelmed, like one cashier at Black Friday. It slows or even crashes. So distance and scale are both problems. How do you deliver a fast, consistent global experience? Enter the Content Delivery Network, the CDN, a behind-the-scenes system you already use. A CDN solves distance and traffic. It makes the internet feel local, fast, reliable. So how do you get that pizza to your door faster? You don't make the delivery driver break the sound barrier. Instead, you build local branches of the pizza shop in every neighborhood. That's the core idea behind a CDN. A CDN is a huge, globally distributed network of servers. Instead of one origin server in one place, companies place copies of content on many servers. Images, videos, and static code files, the stuff that doesn't change often, are cached at POPs. When you go to a website that uses a CDN, your request doesn't travel all the way to the origin server. DNS figures out where you are and points you to the geographically closest server. If you're in London, you'll get the website's data from a server in London, not from the main server in California. Latency drops, and the site loads way faster. If the website needs dynamic content, like your user profile, the CDN might check back with the origin for that tiny piece. But it still serves the heavy stuff from the server next door, so pages load in a snap. By bringing content closer, CDNs reduce load time from seconds to milliseconds. They make the web feel responsive and immediate. Now, just like with smartphones, there isn't just one type of CDN. The technology has evolved and different approaches have emerged. The most common one is the traditional CDN. Big companies build and maintain private networks of servers and data centers worldwide for reliability and security. Then a newer, more agile approach, Edge CDN, getting as close to the end user as possible. Edge runs compute nearby, not just content, enabling super responsive apps. A different model is peer-to-peer or P2P. It flips the script. Your device might download pieces from nearby devices and share what it has. Each model has trade-offs. Traditional CDNs are reliable and secure but can be expensive. Edge CDNs can offer the lowest latency, pushing the boundaries of speed. They shine for super responsive applications. P2P CDNs can be cost-effective and scale naturally during massive live events. However, they raise security questions and rely on users' connections. Companies choose a CDN based on needs, budget, and the kind of content they deliver. There's no one-size-fits-all. Pick the model that fits your goals. So, at the end of the day, what's the big takeaway? CDNs are a foundational pillar of the modern internet. Their main benefit is a massive boost in speed. By closing the physical gap, CDNs slash loading times. Even a 1-second delay can make users leave. Speed isn't just a feature, it's everything. Faster sites mean better conversions, trust, and revenue. CDNs duplicate content across hundreds of servers. No single point of failure. If one server fails, traffic reroutes so sites stay online. CDNs sit between users and origin servers as a frontline defense. They detect and filter malicious traffic before it reaches the main server. That protection lets small companies survive viral events and big sales. Whether streaming 4K or serving APIs, CDNs handle the heavy lifting. In a system design, put CDN POPs near users, keep origin for dynamic writes, use DNS to route, and add security monitoring at the edge. Performance, reliability, security, all improved by CDNs. They're the unsung heroes working silently in the background, making the internet faster and safer for everyone. Want a deeper dive? Check the links below.